Hi, Neil O'Brien here, and this short video I'm going to show you how Trello works. If you're part of my mastermind group or a client or do the month-end review with me, then we've started using Trello for tracking the actions, and there's quite a few advantages to this. So the way it works is, you can see here I've got my various weeks. If you're a part of a mastermind group, you may have October actions, November actions, etc. I will have emailed you a link to this. So the idea is, as you go through the month, and certainly before our next meeting, you should really be going in and updating this in terms of your progress. And of course, if you're also part of a daily huddle, you may be familiar with this sheet where we go in every day and pick out our main actions we're going to do and score it the next day. The 12-week plan, or Trello, this works really well because the idea is you should be feeding some of these important frog tasks down into your daily huddle. Okay, back to Trello. So, for example, last week was week 10 for me. So at the end of the week, or the following, either on a Friday or the Monday, I'm going to go in and update this. Now, some people do it as they go through the week, which is probably even better. I tend to do it at the end of the week. This first one, prepare a flow chart for my sales and marketing. That's been done, completed. So I'm going to tick green and save that. It'll appear as green. If you want to change any of these tasks there, little pencil figure here at the side, you click on that and it gives you various options. Edit labels, research foreign services, that is ongoing. I'm going to call that, I'm going to give that a yellow as being, or orange, either or. I'm going to call it yellow, ongoing, and save it. Now, follow up Chambers of Commerce, that didn't actually happen. I'm going to give that a red. Now, I suppose I need to ask myself here, is this still important? Does it carry forward? Yes, I want to carry this forward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, create a copy of it, create card. So you can see here it's appearing again. And what I want to do is I'm going to move that into the next week. So I'm just going to untick the red and I'm going to move it across here to next week because I need to follow up with the Chambers of Commerce, 2 of them. So I'm moving that task into next week. So this is a really good tool for tracking your actions. What I like about it, and people have asked me for more accountability, if an action is carried forward, let's say for example, follow up Chambers of Commerce, I didn't do it last week. If I don't do it this week and it keeps appearing, then it highlights that there's an issue somewhere. So there's great traceability and great transparency with this, because business owners are always saying to me that they do appreciate, they like the accountability, they like tracking it. This is a great tool because you can go in and use it, I can go in and access and see how you're getting on as well. So that is Trello and how it works. So hope that was helpful.